Coding Inspector Level 1 NACE-CIP1-001 exam questions are the best material for you to test the topics. Share some NACE certification NACE-CIP1-001 exam questions and answers below. 1. What is used to determine compressed air cleanliness? A. Needle pressure gauge. B. Psychrometer. C. Blotter test. D. Profilometer. 2. Osmotic blistering is most likely to occur as a result of A. Inadequate anchor pattern, surface profile. B. Overcoating a surface contaminated with chemical salts. C. Airless spray application. D. Applying tine coating, too thin. 3. When performing tests for oil and grease using an ultraviolet light, the NACE inspector should be aware that A. Chloride salt may produce a false positive. B. Synthetic oil or grease may not be identified. C. Ultraviolet light may contaminate the surface. D. Presence of weld spatter may produce a false positive. 4. To achieve consistently accurate results with all ALT test equipment, A. Wear gloves when sampling. B. Wash your hands before sampling. C. Avoid placing the sample discs on a surface. D. Calibrate the instrument in the field. 5. Fine cracks in the surface of a coating that rarely reach the substrate are called A. Cracking. B. Alligatoring. C. Checking. D. Blistering. 6. It is good practice for the NACE inspector to have instrument calibration certificates available. A. At all times. B. In the office only. C. In the field only. D. Only if the specification requires it. 7. In a non-convertible coating, the role of the primary solvent is to A. To make the coating flow out better. B. To dissolve the resin. C. To promote faster cure. D. To control the evaporation rate. 8. Removal of weld splatter is required. A. On every job. B. When iso-abrasive blast standards are specified. C. When NACE SSPC abrasive blast standards are specified. D. When specifically identified in the owner's specification. 9. Common errors that may produce inaccurate readings when using a dial-type magnetic pull-off dry filth thickness (DFT) gauge include: select all that apply. A. Failing to determine the base metal reading (BMR). B. Rotating the dial too fast when taking measurements. C. Taking measurements too far from the edge of a surface. D. Measuring ditty, tacky, or soft films. 10. Conventional spray is a good choice when A. High production rates are required. B. High-quality finishes are required. Century high transfer efficiency is required. D. High viscosity coatings are being applied.